Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time or you just didn't get post for YouTube or you did watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you go just know anytime I put video for here. If you don't know how to subscribe, if you see that red button, just click on. Then you will see one bed sign. You click the bed once, then let me say you will get notice anytime we put video for here. Or if you dey flow for our number, you see the topic, just click the topic, just go down small, you will see our number down there. If you get anything when they bother you or whatever, just call us. If we not pick, you send voice notes to us for WhatsApp, then we will reply you. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. If you don't subscribe before, God bless you. So today's topic, we want to talk about one of our sister. This our sister Ide Jamie. This our sister. Well, this matter, she don't take her decision. She just say make I still bring her come out, make I encourage our ladies wey be say that they like fine boy. They like fine boy. Anywhere they see fine boy, they go see boy wey be say he like them. They'll say no, he no swag rich, he no then get pose rich, he no do this, he no pull trouser for down, he no do this. Now company boy, now gbeke boy, now this one. Then he say make I tell you now, you understand? He say make I use her city advice now, make I still bring her come out, because her whole experience when she tell me, even before she tell me self, me don already know the kind of person when she be, because when me and her just dey discuss, you get wetin we just dey discuss, the way she take talk, now say come, be like say you go like fine boy. He say certain, now say yes, so because this one where you just talk like this, so now so you understand. So the matter be say this our sister. He say your day Facebook one day, he just see one fine bobo. He say because she dey like fine bobo well. He say no feel like me. He say they like fine bobo well. He say just see fine bobo for Facebook. He just give a message, say hello. Now if I go check the profile, now you see the guy. Now I say, oh, this one a correct guy. Ah, this guy, he balance, he gather. He said now he click on, now they come they discuss. So the boy cut and saying they Europe, this and this, that and that. He no know say the boy, he never know what they call a car or airport for there. He no know at all. He say come they tell her, he say come say, he say come say her, you get documents. Say no get documents. So what in a visa into the travel, he get international visa when into the travel, go any country where you want go. He say that cut and say me issue on the visa. He say come scan visa, come for her. When you see visa, he come say, hey, this guy will don't catch big fish. He said now so they come they come they talk so he come travel. He say he come tell am say he dey Nigeria now, make he come visit am. He say he come go Nigeria, he come go visit am. He just say dey okay. So if you see the guy, you say na Dangote pikin, not knowing that his papa and his mama dey inside village dey suffer. Abeg mona share this video. If I do video, mona dey share am. Make people dey learn, because this boy see dey Facebook now. He don dey deceive me. Now every year they say this boy dey marry. Every year he married 2015, 2016, 2017. 2017 now he married this our sister. So 2018 he don marry another person, and he's about to marry another person 2019 now. So more than they share this video, more than they share am, so that may our guests, may that they know, because our guests when they like fine boy, now they fall for all these kind of people. Una go see better boy when be say we don't see the boy not fine. Una go ready the boy now carry go market. If you get money, use the money to buy your clothes. Tell us, that's your tail. If now the waist the boy they put the trouser when be say it they sweet you, still put on for waist for am. So okay, put on for waist like this, wear on like this. If you see any fine boy, you see the way he take dress, snap am, go market, go buy like that cloth. Tell your guys, okay, my guy, I beg this cloth, just go and reach on like this, mash on like this, wear on like this. He go fine, he go come say be like that. They know they put on for head. Now money as P Square talk, you say obe go na maru. We get the way they take talk. I say now money, nobody ugly. Obe go na maru. I know that they speak the Igbo. He say na money they raise person. If you don't feel better that cloth you wear now, you go say look ogwale, you go look like that your guy wey be say you just dey color for. You understand me? When I not go dey fall for, you say one chance. When I not go dey break una own heart now, say the boy break una. Now break una heart before you see fine boy like that. Woman don't dey by his side now. You suppose know now. My ladies, when I try, when they understand. He says so. Now so he can travel down to Nigeria. He can go meet this guy. The guy saying just dey around, just dey, you know. They can't date. The next thing the guy say me they can't do marriage. He saying do big marriage. He say marriage when you do, say no be small marriage. The marriage heavy, you know, it's not fake marriage now too. This guy can't go and arrange family. He can't go and arrange family, come say that his family be this, not knowing that not be even a family. You get people when they pay, when you just put for ground. So okay, I want to do this one marry. Oh yeah, you can. Oh my God. He said now so they can't do the marriage. Oh, he can't. They happy say Emila Boke Uzebude. He say na. Oh, I know now. So I want to tell the parable. He gave me. I know what cut my tongue. He say so na so they can't tell. He say na so the guy they ask money. Oh, he say if they just they will just sit down, you know, as husband and wife, because he don't call am his husband. He go say okay, let's just do video. He go just carry video come. He go just the video her. He go the kiss her. So tell herself when she will just bath finish, when she will just enter inside room. No, as soon as don't bath, you come back, come the touch, the light of video. He go just look like normal something. You know, say this guy get plan. And so this guy they gather video. The next thing you can't tell this guy say when they don't quarrel, wait me, I never jump go that side. So he say now so they can't tell. He say he can't tell the guy say you come Europe now, and the guy say for come now ticket be problem already. He say get visa when you take travel go anywhere. He say come say if na ticket be the problem, no problem. Say come send that money. How many times he don't send this guy ticket money to take come Europe? You know they come. Sometimes if you call am, he go talk say he just dey Holland o. If he miss the flight, he dey Holland. He go soon come Germany. Sometimes he go say he dey UK. Sometimes he go say he dey Spain. You see na so the guy dey lie. And he get different number when they say they call. I don't know as they arrange himself for na Yahoo boy. Oh, I no can understand. He say something. He can't tell and say another time again. Tell and say they come Nigeria. He can't tell and say okay, come Europe. They come Germany. He can't tell and say okay, no problem. He can't tell him mama, give him mama money to buy Africa food. Make he carry give this boy. This boy carry Africa food for now. Whereas he never get document to take travel. He collect Africa food for this woman hands. Say one carry can't give a pikin for Europe. This boy they not see Africa food. They not see. He said one day he just they publish their marriage picture and everything for Facebook. Now this somebody can't tell and say now this guy you marry. He can say yes, so now my husband. Oh, now he can say who be all this man, this man and this woman with dinner. He can say na parents, na mama be this, na papa be this. Like I said, this one not be his parents. So this man and this woman not be his papa. Oh, because what you they tell me? He say papa dey for village stroke holy papa dey sick. He can say what? Now he can't give the person money. So yeah, you go find you know where papa they say no where papa they now they can't go trace his papa. His papa dey grand dey sick. Now papa says in 7 years. He never see pikin for her. Pikin not dey call her. Now he say, now your pikin, even though say you, oh God, so men they are wicked, sha. Even though say you can't dey play women 419. If you say you go forget your papa, at least all those money you see they give your papa shop now. You so wicked. After you play the ladies, you use the money galavant. You don't even know say your papa you go take care of her. He say papa you're the. He say come pity the man. He can't tell the man say so now you be papa. He say yes. So he dey grind the sickle. Now he born now or you know. He said, "Can't take care of the man." I say, "Take care of the man." Now because he love the boy. He can't tell the boy, "Say why you lie to me? Why you let other people come as your parents?" He said, "The guy can't beg. He can't say me no vex this and this." He said, "For say accept you, he already love you for who you are." He can't beg. I can't say make it no vex. So say, na devil work, na this, na that. So that they blame devil. I say can't forgive her because say the love don't there. But for me, I don't look that one like love. Oh, I look that one like Otonokpo because according to this our sister, I saw those people when they bring the coin. Say now they be the native daughter when they play the game for her. You understand? Now Otonokpo because not be a clear hair, my people. He say can't forgive her. I say this person still forgive her. The same thing. He no change. Now so you go they lie. Now so you go they lie. You understand? He say now when he comes to say no fit bear again because now he be like say money the way money take they come for aside money not they come like that again. Don't see another big fish cash. Now so he can put this our sister for one corner. Then this our sister come they tell her and say not be so we take talk can be does he forgive you? Now so it all go here, it all go there. The next thing those pictures when be say that they play they get the video themselves. He publish all of them come out for Facebook. He say go publish her for everywhere. Make she come dey pay. He say she pay. She not fit pay again. Now she rest. Even the guy picture there with me self. but I no go publish am for here or I no go publish am, but I no take permission from this our sister. If you tell me say me I publish am, I no go see publish am for YouTube. Na group am for publish am, make una see the guy, so that if una see this guy, make una dey borrow leg. Na another person now he wan marry this 2019, they don dey plan marriage. He don marry another one 2018. So wetin I dey try to tell una be say our girls, na wetin this our sister dey talk. He say because no be say he really need that vessel. He don use the tongue take count it. He no dey the relationship again, and he no give am money again. He tell am say if you wan publish am, go YouTube, go Facebook, go WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, anywhere you like. Publish am, he no care. He say na wetin he tell am. He don't take a decision. He say, but he just they bring this video come. Say because he still dey Facebook there, see they play people. Make una for learn. Not be everybody wanna see for Facebook say hello, hello. Una go dey open it for. Make una be careful. Now that one, that is our sister say, make it come tell you now. And me self, I come to say make I put my mouth. Make I still tell all this our girls. Make una no dey fine boy. This una fine boy matter, e don too much. People when they do hook up, they go carry boy give una. Now say no, this boy I can't be any boy. Wetin I want use and do? He not gallant, he not do this, he not do that. And that boy, they go give you love, they go give you peace of mind. That boy when they say he not gallant now, if you dress am up now, he go gallant. Another girl will come dey like am. I don't see person like that when be say the boy nobody gree carry. The boy put me low follow everywhere. Oh, he meet this one say no carry. He meet that one say no carry. He meet the other one, he say na me want carry you. Who dare? You newly come. You when newly come, we just from La Patusa they come. So as you just be like this, now me go carry you. Now so all the girls that they pursue this brother no gree. He pursue them, follow them, they beg. No girl when not go meet, nobody gree carry. They say, see you, who go carry you? Now one auntie, one sister, we still young, no? That one consider, be like say, that one, don't see pepper too. Then that one consider, what he go do? Make it carry. Then he carry this, our brother. Oh. When he clean this, our brother finish, oh my God. When he bath and finish, if you see this guy, he can't find past all the boys. When be say all these girls they die for say, you know, they are company boy, now this. When they can't see this boy, when he can't they clean, they come. He can't buy a cream. He can't they bath and they dress her. When the guy can't they come, all the girls when they don't feel toast before. When be say they say no, they're not the green. Say they're nasty. When be say they toast at that time, they'll do it. I say they're nasty for their heads. All of them. They can't begin, they beg this guy now. And they can't use body, they find out this and this. But you know, no one good thing. I can't like the brother. Where? You know, see the brother said that. The brother said they say, come. The time when they talk to her, now not green. Okay, me I can't leave this woman when he carry me, when all of her rejects me. Make I can't leave her or can't break her heart, can't meet her now. I will ever keep myself for this woman. I will ever love this woman to the end. This brother, and a person where I know, not be say they tell me. It not disappoints this woman. They still dating today, they don't get children. If you see the brother, he fine finish. He fine finish. Anywhere you go, when we say if you waka pass you, you must turn back to look again. But some no they know, some one they don't fine finish. Now that I don't know say that one way carry them. Now so he too short. Now so he belly too big. Now so he ugly. Now so he too fat. But they forget that one I carry them, they'll come and follow all those one we don't reject them before. But this brother not be like that. He stand gidigba. He stand for a wife. He stands. He no get girlfriend. He no waka kere waka because he know where rain for beaten. That's why if una not say if you don't ready and finish, you don't bath and finish, you can't come. Not be all they come out. Some they stay. I know say some they come out. But fine boy, not let fine boy go put una for one chance. Not let fine boy go make una take for inside garage. Not let fine boy na kuna akpako. Mona be careful for fine boy matter when they find fine boy they go. That fine boy when you see say he don't ready, he don't set. Now person na set am. Now a person, now a certain. Maybe that person when set don't they cry now. The cry of that person not go make that marriage work because in a person now a certain. So my people, I don't want to make this video long ago because this our sister now is saying using advice our lady say the boy see they Facebook now, they Instagram now, they search. You not care. He ready to they marry every time, every year. Now Europe ladies now they fine. Maybe you will not pay and now you can say now Europe ladies. then you wan come dey use. So una shine una eye o, make una shine una eye o. Una share this video so that all these our guests when they go Facebook go dey fine boy, or they fine boy wey dem wan follow, make dem for still learn from here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. God bless you. I remain your sister, your friend, your lady, your anything you call me, I did there for you. Thank you. If you never subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, you go know anytime I put video for here. And please share this video. Share. God bless you. Bye.